Hey YouTube, what's going on? Back with another video. I know it's been a long time. Uh, got a few things to talk to you about today, but well, I got something new to review today, but let's just say it's not the best thing in the world. At least in my opinion, I don't know. Kayak Grape. Now, as you can see, there's really nothing. I mean, it's cheap. Uh, Can stuff. I mean, it's all plastic. You got, look at that. I mean, I don't want to do that because it'll fuck up the lid, but my God, I could just, oh my, it's ridiculous. And let me line this up here. There's really nothing special about this can at all. I mean, this warning label right here takes up like half the fucking side. So, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, I got it for $1.09, and you get what you pay for, I guess. I mean, the smell, I just don't even know. It's got a hint of grape. There's no tobacco smell at all. None. It's like a hint of grape with like this artificial smell. Oh my God. Let's see if I can show you. I pretty much got a full fucking can. Like, I maybe took one dip out of it, and it sucked. It totally fucking sucked. But let's go ahead and pack a dip here. Pack a lip, not a dip. And get this video rolling. A little more in. Now, yeah, pretty nice dip, man, you know. So we need something to spit in, right? The last few vids I've had, I got all these new mud jugs. Well, I'm on the last one that I have that's new. And I'll tell you, it is fucking awesome. Like, you ready for this? Are you ready? Right there. The blood red Walking Dead. That is fucking sick. I don't know if it's going to show it or not. If you can see. It's kind of glaring. Damn it. But it's fucking awesome. So that's the end of the new mud jugs, guys. I mean, I think I have 6 now. I'd like to get me that lock and load if it's still available. I haven't been really keeping up with them, which I need to. Got a dip bar on my laptop. Damn it. I'm in a new location today. Not really. I'm in my fucking bedroom like I always am. But I'm at a different angle, I should say, because I usually have my computer up on that, and I'm facing that way. My fucking bed, I tore it down because the fucking headboard and footboard, was fucking breaking all the time. I don't know what the fuck was the matter with it. It was a piece of shit. And I just fucking tore it down, and I'm on a box spring mattress right now until I get something. So that's why we're over here. Because obviously I'm that far down from the fucking top of that, and it won't look right. But oh well. Okay. The cut on this dip, it's kind of like a mid-cut type deal, in my opinion. It's still very pinchable. It's just, I don't know. Let me grab a little bit. I mean, it's kind of like I'm doing that on purpose, by the way, for those of the people that are like, he can't even fucking get a pinch. It's kind of like a mid-cut type deal. Which is all fine and dandy. I really don't give a shit what it is. Fine cut, mid cut, long cut, extra long cut, whatever the hell. Chill, fuck, I'll do it all. But you spit okay with it. I mean, it's a fruit flavor. It's not as much spit as you get with, like, let's say a wintergreen or something of that nature that you do spit. Oh my god. I'm not in the fruit flavors at all. I'm not. I never have. Ever since I've been a beginner, I never done fruit flavors. I don't know. I've always been a wintergreen guy ever since I started out. Right there. That's the shit. Copenhagen wintergreen. But as for Kayak Grape, like I said, you're not going to get fucking nicotine out of this. You're going to get some, obviously, but it's no. It's a no-go. You're not going to get buzz. Obviously, it's for, like, beginners and shit. But if you're a beginner and you dip this, who fucking cares what you dip? Just because I'm not into it, don't mean you can't be. But some people like this Kayak Grape, others don't. It's just kind of a cheaper brand. You get what you pay for, I think. I just the great flavor from it is just not good to me. I don't know why. It's just not. It's so artificial. I just don't know. It's made by Swisher. Um, it's 100% domestically grown tobacco. It's just not very good quality in my opinion. I don't know. So I'd probably rate this. Hmm. Sorry for the pause. It's hard because I don't want to give it a too low of a rating, but we'll give it a fair 6 out of 10. I mean, I've had worse dips, obviously. Fucking shithorn. But this, like I said, it's got an artificial taste to it. My guess is, because I've had a dip out of it, it don't last very long, I would guess. I got a pretty nice lip in, and I give it probably about a half hour or so. Um, I can keep dip packed, gotta use that tongue, but this shit does not want to stay at all. I don't know. Well, more reviews coming soon. And as for Kayak Grape, it's alright. If you're a beginner, give it a try. I don't know. But that's about it for me, boys and girls out there. So always remember, no matter what you do, keep dipping and spitting, and I'll see you later.